Hello folks and welcome to another episode of Ryan Tastes Beer. Today I have Peachtree Brewing Company's SoundCheck Session IPA. It's kind of a cute little bottle, isn't it? Let's see here. Here at Peachtree we're passionate about beer. We're also passionate about local music, which is why a portion of the profits from every SoundCheck Session IPA goes towards supporting the growing music scene in central Iowa. Soundcheck stays true to our love for hop-forward India Pale Ales while maintaining a lighter body. It's a flavorful, yet easy-drinking brew best paired with live tunes. Turn it up. So, it's kind of a cute little bottle here. Take a quick look at the cap. I think it's the... Oh, it's upside down. There we go. Soundcheck Session IPA. Let's see if we can find some facts about this. I think these are one of the folks that don't put information about the beer actually on here. Leave sediment in bottle. So this is a naturally carbonated beer, as you can see from the sediment. Let's see if we can pull up the statistics about this. See, Beer Advocate or Peachtree will even tell us. You know, I wish these beer brewers would actually put information about their beer on the beer. So what we have here looks like it's about 4.9% ABV. 4.9%, but I have no idea what the IBUs are. Yeah, so that's really disappointing that they don't have that on there. So let's just crack it open, stop talking about the beer. Well, I guess we'll continue talking about the beer, but see if I can pour this without a whole bunch of sediment. One of the last session IPAs I had, one from Left Hand, all sorts of junk floated in those beers. I could not have sediment in the... Okay. Pretty nice light in color. Oh, I can't do that because I'm smelling my hand. Kind of dank. Some citrus notes. Something, I'm going to say that's definitely dank. They don't really give a description of the beer on here as far as any scent or aroma and flavor. Alright. Not a lot of head retention. Some nice lacing though. Bitter. It is bitter. A little dank. Maybe a little bit of pine in there. This isn't really a citrusy one, I don't think. But it is definitely a bit heavy on the bitter. Holy cow, it's like a weird kind of volcano thing. Well, you know, upside down snowstorm, but it's all coming from the center of the glass. I wish you could see that. I don't think I can get this. Maybe you can see that. Holy cow, that's cool. I've never noticed that before in a beer. Yeah, it's not bad. You know, I don't think I've had a Peachtree beer that I've been like super excited about. But this one's pretty decent. I think I'll give it 3.5 out of 5. It seems to be what I've been getting a lot of beers lately. But I did forget to see when it was bottled. I don't even know if there was a bottle date. I just grabbed it because I wanted something different to try. Or something new, I guess I should say, to me at least. But of course, no information about when it was bottled or when I should enjoy it by. So 3.5 out of 5. Cheers, 17. We'll see you next time.